Hello everyone, I am welcoming you all once again to this channel. Today I am going to make a video on this VMD software where we will see how to create a movie from a LAMP's trajectory file. So here I am going to open that file in my VMD, so which is present in my document. So from here I will be opening my VMD software and with that LAMP's trajectory file. So here I have opened that file. So next you can see that we are having okay, before going ahead, let me change the representation from lines to CPK. You see that these are the atoms that we have in this particular LAMP's trajectory. So here we can see like both boxes are showing open here. So we can do PBC wrap from the TK console. So here I am writing the comment PBC wrap -all. So this will wrap both the boxes into a single box. So you see that this thing is wrapping up has been done. Next is here we can see if I will play this movie from this play forward button. You see that this way these atoms are flowing and this way we have to generate the movie. Okay, so here we are having in total 501 frames. So in order to save the entire frame it requires more RAM. Sometimes it also returns some error like some error in performing this kind of operation. So for that we can do simply striding this number of frames. So here I am going to change, like I am going to delete some frames. So I am only typing the number 10 over here. Okay, then click on the delete. Now you see that number of frames is now coming to 51 from 501. Next part is to simply go here, extension, then visualization, make movie maker. Then here the option, then here we have the options for all the movie setting. So first thing is to change this rotation angle from 180 to 0. Then our movie duration will be of 2 seconds. Then here is the format, like the format of the movie we want in the animated GIF. Then here we can set the working directory. So I am going to set the working directory as same as the trajectory file directory, that was these documents. Okay, then here movie setting, here we can click on this trajectory. Now the last option is to click on this make movie. So I am clicking on this, and if you will check over here, you see that many such images have been generating at that particular directory, and at the end all these images will be merged together to create one GIF. So here we can see that our operation is performed. Next here you see that our GIF is ready. So here I am opening this untitled GIF. You see the same way whatever we have saved now is saved as a animated GIF in our particular directory. So this way one can make a movie, and this is a very short movie, and this way you can perform and make your movie. So you see all these images are now merged, and we are only getting one GIF file. So this is the final GIF file that has been created by this VMD software. So this way you can go forward, and thank you all, and bye bye.